Good morning to all. Let us revise the chapter set theory. Chapter name is set theory, that for class 7 and 8. Just to see what is the question given, how to solve. Chapter name is set theory. Just see the question. Question given like this: universal set denoted by xi such that x belongs to whole number and x less than equal to 10. A given x such that x belongs to natural number and x less than 3. B given x such that x belongs to whole number where x greater than equal to 2 and less than 10. Then you have to find out the value of A complement intersection B complement. A complement intersection B complement. Okay. First to copy the question what is given, then let me solve. Question number 1. Universal set given x such that x belong to whole number starting from 0 and x less than equal to 10. Less than equal to 10 means you have to write up to 10. Less than equal to 10. Just to see that the universal set will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 10 you have to write. Okay, this is called universal. A given x such that x belongs to natural number and x less than 3. B given x such that x belongs to whole number and x greater than equal to 2 less than 10. Okay, that means B will be greater than equal to 2 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 10. And A will be how much? Just tell A will be less than 3 matlab 1, 2 because natural number starting from 1. After finding the universal set A, set B, then you have to find out A complement. A complement how to find out? A complement would be universal set minus A set. The universal set is what? 0 to 10, 0, 1, 2 up to 10 minus A set. What is A set? A set means 1, 2. Just omit 1, 2 from this universal set. Remaining number you have 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 10. This is called A complement. A complement means universal set minus A set. Next you have to find out B dash, matlab B complement. B complement will be universal set minus B set. Universal set is 0 to 10, 0, 1, 2 dot dot up to 10 minus B set. B set is how much? B set is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 9. Now omit from here. How much left? Only left 0 and 1. 0, 1, 10. 0, 1, 10. This is B complement. After finding A complement and B complement, then you have to find out A complement intersection B complement. Intersection means the common element in between A complement and B complement. See, A complement, how much you got? 0 to 10, 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And all common is what? 0 common and 10 common. 0 and 10. 0 and 10. 0 and 10 is the common. In this way, number 1 question completed. Okay. Let us go one more question. Number 2 question, just to see what is given here. Question given like this. Just see. Let universal set, that is x such that x belongs to natural number x less than equal to 12. A given x such that x belongs to whole number where x greater than equal to 2 and less than 7. B given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then you have to find out A union B, A intersection B, A dash means A complement, B complement, A complement intersection B complement. Again you have to prove A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Okay, just see. Universal set given here x such that x belongs to natural number and x less than equal to 12. Means this will be 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 12 tak. This is universal set. Next, A set given x such that x belongs to whole number and x less than 7 greater than equal to 2. That means this will be 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 6 because less than 7 given. Greater than equal to 2 and less than 7. That means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A complete. Next B set. What is B set? Just you see. B set given. What is the condition given? B set already given. Numbers like 2, 4, all even 6, 8, 10. B set in roster form it is given. All numbers given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 means all even numbers in between 1 to 10. Next you have to find out, first part, you have to find out A union B. A union B means A how much you got? A is like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Union B set. B set you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Means you have to write all the elements, no repetition is allowed. That means 2 you have to write 2, then 3, all elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 8, then 10. This is called A union B. Next number, second part, that is you have to find out A intersection B. A intersection B means A is already given, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Intersection B set, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So what is the common element in between A and B? 2 common, 4 common, 6 common. That means 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. There are 3 elements which is present in A intersection B. The third part question you have to find out A complement. A complement means universal set minus A set. Universal set given 1 to 12, 1, 2, 3 up to 12 minus A set. What is A? That is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now omit from here. What is left? That is 1 left. And last, that is after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is called A complement. Next, fourth part, you have to find out B complement. B complement means universal set minus B set. The universal set is 1 to 12. Universal set means 1 to 12 is given 1, 2 up to 12. Minus B set. B set means that is all even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now omit what is left here? 1 or odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 12 also. Because 12 is here present, 12. This is called B complement. B complement means universal set minus B set. The fourth part complete. Next fifth part. Fifth part question given A complement union B complement. The A complement you got already, that is 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Union B complement. B complement means that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12. Means all elements have to write. You have to write all the elements. This will be no repetition is allowed. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8 also you have to write. No repetition 8, then 9, then 10, 11, 12. This is called A complement in union B complement. Next, sixth part, that is you have to prove A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. You have to prove this one. The first of all you try to prove left hand side. You have to solve left hand side. So first you write left hand side, that is A union B complement. A union complement is universal set minus A union B. Universal set already given 1 to 12, 1 to up to 12, and A union B got how much? A union B got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Now omit from this number what is left. The answer will be 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, then 9, 11 and 12. This one is left hand side, A union B complement. And right hand side here, that is A complement intersection B complement. A complement already given. What is A complement? Just you see A complement already you found before, that is 1, 7, 1, 7, 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Intersection B complement. So B complement got how much? That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 12. Now see in this, what are the things common here? 1 common, right here 1, and 7 common. Next you see 9 is common, next 11 common, and one more 12 also common. Now you see these two things are equal or not? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, what is your conclusion? A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. In this way, this question also completed. Thank you for today's class.